Here with Tanner, the manager of the Gasgas Factory Racing Off-Road Team. Good to see you, brother. How you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
You guys are kicking butt today, huh?
Yeah, today's been a great day.
Real special event today. The World Trials GP. This only comes every, what, 7 years to the U.S.?
Yeah, it's rare. It hasn't been to the U.S. and I want to say 10 years. They're talking about coming back to the U.S. in 27, so hopefully that does happen. The turnout's been amazing. The people are outstanding, so we're love to be a part of it.
I've been absolutely blown away at the sections. We saw 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and they were going basically up rock walls, some of them more than a 90-degree angle, more than straight. It was unbelievable, the talent, level of talent.
They're special. It's an unorthodox way of riding, but they make it look doable, and it's crazy.
So not only trials, you also do the other off-road for Gasgas too, right?
Yeah, so I manage the off-road team, so we have 2 riders, Jordan Ashburn and Jason Tino, who race GNCC primarily, and we also do National Enduro. Tino was hurt earlier this year, dealing with some knee injuries, but Jordan's been killing it for us this year.
So you got a whole fleet of Gasgas here that we were honored to provide you guys with through the Gasgas dealership we have. So I think only how many of them actually competed?
How many of the Kaplan bikes?
Yes.
We've got 2 Kaplan bikes being competed on, and they're both killing it.
We'll have to go take a look at them. But what blew my mind is I thought that you guys would put like factory suspension on them and special cylinders. You can run them bone stock, right?
Bone stock. They're great out of the box. From handlebars, grips, levers, foot pegs, everything bone stock, and these guys are both competing top 15, top 10 in the world on a bone stock.
The TXT GP Pros are just spectacular looking machines with the special coatings on the forks, and I mean it's a factory edition trials bike basically, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So these 4, by the way guys, all of these bikes are going up for sale at Kaplan Cycles when we get them back. We'll have them all detailed up. These 4 didn't even compete in the race. These were just transportation for the staff to ride around this weekend,
correct.
right?
Yep.
So they're gonna have 3.5, 4 hours on them. They're brand new 2025s. We'll bring them back, go through the detail shop. We'll have them wizard tuned to perfection, and they'll be up for sale. Let's go take a look at the ones you guys actually raced this weekend.
Yeah,
We got the factory semi here today, and some of the best riders, trials riders on the planet here. So this is one of the bikes that competed today. So what did they change on this from right out of the crate?
Right out of the crate, really, he just polishes up he makes it look shiny. He puts a different throttle housing on this one for Josh, and a different shock and fork spring. Other than that, it's just bells and whistles.
So you can buy a Gasgas right off the floor and compete at the World Trials level and be very competitive. It has a special throttle he put on it and shock springs. That was it, and some stickers too, right?
Exactly.
The factory Dunlop. They don't come with the factory Dunlop stickers, do they? Awesome, awesome. So it's really the rider that makes the difference, right?
The rider makes all the difference.
Having a factory mechanic spinning the wrenches for you is a big plus too, for sure. You can just focus on racing. So the next round will be 2027 for the next World GP.
Yeah, the word is 2027. The World GP is coming back to the U.S. in Tennessee.
Tennessee.
So we hope that happens.
So stay tuned, guys. If you want to catch another round, you're going to have to go to Tennessee. If you missed it, we'll have some footage of it up here for you to check out. This one here is a full works factory bike. It's got a carbon fiber airbox, custom cylinder head, probably some, sure, suspensions special on it. But so this one was shipped from overseas.
Yep, both of these.
So these 2 were shipped from overseas and to compete here today. Well, Tanner, thank you for showing us around here today. We'll see you back at the shop when you guys drop off all these Gasgases for us. We'll get them all cleaned up and find some new homes for them.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Good luck at your next round. Good luck at your next round. Where's your next event?
The next trials event's next weekend in Ohio. The next race I'll be at is the next GNCC.
All right, good luck. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.